Hello friends, welcome back to Master's Vlog. In new video, if you see this video first time, like, share, comment, subscribe and click bell button. Then you will get my all video notification in your mobile phone. So our today video is how to make. Today I am showing you eggshell which you can make in your home. For that we need only few things. Take a eggshell and make a design like this as you like and paste Fevigum under the eggshell. After that we should take hair bun and make as a stand and take a flower and put inside the shell. So our eggshell flower pot is ready. After that, keep it as a side. Next, I am making another eggshell. For that, we need eggshell and cotton. First of all, take eggshell and paste gum like this. And take cotton and paste like this. Make like this. After that, we should make another ball also. After that, make like this ball and put inside. And make like this. And take gum and stick like here. And take black stone and keep as a hand. And take small paper and make a round and keep as a nose. Finally, our chick is ready. So, do this. Next item is eggshell corn. Take a shell and make like this corn and place little gum inside that. And paste it like this. Take a marker you can draw any designs. Good.